Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is why you have no sales with affiliate marketing. So, with that being said, cue the intro. So before we do get started, this channel is about how to make money online and also how you can create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell so that I can help you with increasing the number in your bank account. So with that being said, let's get started and why you have no sales if you've been doing affiliate marketing. So maybe you've tried affiliate marketing and you've had all these things and you wonder why you have no sales even though you put in the work, you've done everything possible and you still can't make some sales and you're wondering why. So the very first thing is you need traffic from somewhere, whether it's YouTube or a blog or Facebook, Instagram, and the list goes on. But you do need some traffic to go somewhere because there's some people that try to get some traffic in Facebook groups, and that is a way to do it. But here's the thing, if you post on Facebook groups just like, here's my link, this is how you're going to make money, you are not going to make some money, or you might get lucky and get that one sale. But here's the thing, people don't know you, so it's going to be a lot harder and it's not very scalable to do it that way. So what you do is you're going to create something like a YouTube channel or a blog, because that way people will start to know you. So I reckon that the best way to do this is YouTube or a blog, because that is searchable content and that's going to be a lot easier to drive some traffic. And by the way, I'm not saying this is easy, but this is the way to do it. So it's going to be a lot easier to actually start a blog or a YouTube channel, plus you don't have to put in any money before it starts to work. So if you don't have any money to get started, just do it that way. Start a blog or a YouTube channel teaching people about something, whatever it may be that you're interested in, and just try it. And if you think that the market is saturated and there's too many people doing it, don't worry about that. That's a good thing, because that means that there is a market for it. So this is very powerful, because when you create something like that, after you've created a few blog posts or videos, people will start to know you. They will start to know who you are and trust you, and that's the biggest factor in sales. If people don't trust you, it won't work. Just like we talked about on the Facebook groups, if you're just posting an affiliate link, even though that link might be legit, if you're not doing it, if people don't know you, it's going to be a lot harder to convert. But if you have a blog or a YouTube channel, people will know who you are. They visit your blog all the time, they go to your YouTube channel all the time, and they will get to know you. So after you've done that and you start to create some traffic, you will have to have a landing page. Now, a landing page does cost a bit of money. That's just the way it is. If you want to make money, you are going to have to spend a little bit of money first, but that is the way to do it. So once you've created that landing page, you don't want to send people straight to the offer, because a landing page, if you don't know this, is when you have to go somewhere and enter your email. So that can be if you want to get a free ebook or something like that, and that's the way you're going to do it. So you create something like an ebook or your best recommendation or whatever it may be, and you have them enter the email. So now you have their email, but instead of sending them straight to the offer, but do not send them straight to the offer. If you send them straight to the offer before you have their email, that's a very bad way to do this, because if they don't buy from you, then it's over. You've lost them, even though they may have been interested in what you do. And even if you do get that sale, you'll never be able to get them again. And that's very hot traffic, because they are interested in what you want to do. So if you lose them after you've made a sale, that's the worst thing that you can do, because you will not be able to make them sales again and again and again. So if you send them straight to the product after you've got the email, that's a better way to do it, but it will still be very hard to do, because people don't know that product, they just land on there and then they just close the page. So you still have their email, so that's a good thing, but it will be very hard to get them to make some sales. So instead of doing that, what you do is you create a page where there's a video of yourself or a post of yourself. So what you do in that post is you explain what the product is about, how it's really good, and in what way will it help them to get them there. So the next thing that you do after that is either you can send them to the product and have them buy it, or you sell them to the sales page. So the sales page is typically when it's a high commission sales and it's something worth $500, maybe a bit less, maybe a bit more. But when you land on that, the people who actually make these sales pages are very clever and they really know what they're doing. So I would highly suggest that you do that because it's going to sell so much more for the most part. Now, some people have realized that depending on what you sell, it may be easier since you've made that video to send them straight to the order page. So this can work. You just have to split test, that's just the way it is. But if you want to do one thing, I highly suggest that you send them straight to the sales page, and then they will want to buy even more. So the reason why you want to do that video first or that post first with you is because they know you. They come from your YouTube channel, they come from your blog. So if you do that, people will know you, and it's not like just changing completely and landing on something completely different. So what you do is you talk about that product and you say, okay, this guy is going to talk about it, and then you send them to a sales page. And that's just warming them up because they're kind of warm traffic, but then they get warmer and warmer and warmer as they go through the sales page. So that's what you do, and then you send them to the sales page of the actual product. So that's in a nutshell what you have to do. It does seem very simple, or maybe it seems complicated. It depends on where you want to. It really depends on you, but you might have to go through this video because I know there's a lot in this video, but this is what it's about. So if you're not making sales, this is how you are going to start making sales. Is it easy? Absolutely not. It's quite hard to actually start getting some traffic, but once you get it going, it's very good and you start to make passive income. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of my videos, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.